Rick Crosslin is here, our science guy, and boy, we're talking cicadas here this morning, and getting out there, discovering the cicadas, and you brought some in with you.
I did, and it's funny, you ask some people they haven't seen them, but those that have seen them know they're in their yards.
Absolutely. Aliceville, where I live, they're northeast side, they're all over the place. Why is that? I mean, why are some places there are thousands, and you go a few miles down the road, nothing?
So these guys have been waiting for 17 years in the ground.
That's right.
17 years, and so a lot of ground has been disturbed since then. So if the ground's been disturbed, they probably are gone. But
they died when they disturbed the ground. Okay.
But if you think about it, this is a giant feast for all the birds, squirrels, chipmunks.
I see
There's
that.
going to be a lot of baby birds because of these guys out here.
I see them feeding every day on them.
And what they don't eat is the wings. So I have a whole bunch of wings down here. And what the thing is, this is the loudest insect in the world.
Really?
It can be, I mean, if nobody would put one up to their ears for an extended period of time, but you could do damage.
Well, Ricky, I was mowing the other day, and I could hear them above my mower.
Yes, you can hear them inside your car in certain areas. Now, when you're mowing, that is the sound that a female makes. A female cicada kind of makes a simple sound like this, rubbing her wings.
So why is she doing that?
Well, she's saying, okay, come over here, let's mate.
Okay.
But the males are the ones that by the millions get together and they're protected. So they all get together, giant chorus, and some people can tell the different species by the different sound.
Okay.
But they have a thing called a Timbal organ.
The male, okay.
The male.
Okay.
And so they don't rub things, they bounce back and forth like this. Now if you do that 400 times a second.
Amazing.
And if their bodies are so cool because their bodies are actually hollow. So now if you hold that for me, Randy,
Sure.
and now if we do it, listen. By having a hollow body, you can really make that noise.
Wow.
And you can actually see, if you look carefully here, underneath the wing, see that gray thing right there?
Yeah.
That's the Timbal organ. So once these guys die, and they'll die about a week after they mate.
After they mate, they're done.
Yeah, I have kids collect them, take them apart, see if you can, I always like, hey, see if the science is right. Is there something weird underneath there that makes noise? And if we pull apart the abdomen here, because it's an insect with 3 body parts, a head, thorax, abdomen, it's basically hollow. This one's dead, so I don't really mind doing this, but that's a basically hollow instrument.
Huh.
It's like a drum.
So that's why it makes the loud noise.
The loud noise,
yeah. That makes sense.
And they only have like a week to attract, because
They got to get moving.
she lays her eggs, the eggs fall.
So have they been underground? I mean, they lived 17 years? And so would there be a whole new batch starting right now underneath the ground, and they come back out in 17 years?
Mark your calendars. Families with your kids, you're going to remember this 17 years from now.
Hey, we have some video, too, here, I believe. At least some sound of what the cicadas sound like. So.
When you first see them come out, they're like almost white, and their job is to get up in the trees and find a mate before their life is over. Pretty cool insect. Tracking his abdomen.
Yeah.
And then this is the exoskeleton. Insects have exoskeletons.
Yeah, I've
These
heard
are
of that.
crunch mushes. We're mush crunches. If someone steps on you and I, we're mush and then crunch. But look, if you find these, the backs of them are all split. Because as a nymph, it splits. There's no wings on this, so have the kids look for these. No wings, but the adults emerge with the wing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Truly, truly amazing there. So, and they live for 17 years. I was going to ask you another question. It escaped me. I'm so fascinated here by this. But, oh yeah, this is what I was going to say. Can you eat the cicadas too?
Well,
some people do, don't they? Do you eat them?
Not on purpose. We all eat some insects each year. But around the world, insects are a protein source that's not overlooked. And maybe in the future we'll all be eating. Maybe this is 17 years.
Yeah, I mean, dogs eat them too. I don't know if that's healthy for the animals, is it? Or?
What I heard was, as long as you're not allergic to a shellfish, you'll be okay.
Okay, all right, yeah. And you have videos on YouTube, is that right?
Yes, on my YouTube channel, Rick Crosslin Science, we're doing a backyard science on insects.
Man, it's just fascinating to me. Some people love them, a lot of people hate them. I think they're interesting, I really do. As long as they're in your yard, not mine. So, anyway, all right.
You sound like my wife.
My wife's the same way. There you go, Amber. You learned everything about cicadas here.
I'm just stuck on that. So you find a mate and then you die?
Yeah.
Yeah,
not too exciting of a life, is it?
no comment.
No comment. We're done. Over to you.
No comment. All right.